Welcome back to my channel. I am Faisal. Today I am going to show you big pond in the village. As you can see, all villagers people they are living around of this pond. Pond is very big pond and village people they cultivate different fish. Now as you can see there are very different kind of fishes. Look guys, this is a small fish, big fish, and I am going to zoom these fishes. My God! Now you can see this one is a small fishes. This one is a big fishes. Wow! Wow! Amazing! So guys, as you can see this kind of fishes we are not able to see all time together, so really amazing this thing. And I know here too much sound, so that's why I'm not able to say something. So as you can see, really this is big pond, and you can see the people is rounding here and there for fishes. They try to catch some fish from this pond. And guys, there are two tool pumps and tool pump through all water removing from pond. And here some water stuck in the mud, and some fisher people they are catching fish by net. It's really amazing. So this is a village image. So I hope you are enjoying after showing all this thing. And here some kids they are trying to catch some fishes and enjoying as well. And here you can see someone divided some fishes, small fishes, because of they are working since a long time here. So that's why, and all villages people they are surrounding of this section. And now as you can see there are too much gather. Everybody is very enjoying here. And look, all this fish is mine. I got this fish, and now we are going to cook this all fishes.